The challenge with AI currently is all in having tools and processes in place to ensure responsible AI. That's where we are seeing a real fall down across the globe, and Australia is no exception. At the moment, Australian organizations simply do not know what to do in order to build responsible artificial intelligence, and especially generative artificial intelligence. It's very complex to figure it out for themselves. They would either need to rely on organizations across the globe which specialize in all of this, or they would need to rely on policy and regulation from the Australian government. Preferably, they should do both. The Responsible AI Index 2022 is based on a survey of 439 executive decision makers responsible for AI development. The index found there are fewer organizations in the planning stage last year, with more shifting to the initiating stage. There are also fewer in maturing segment. The mean index score of 62 out of 100 has remained unchanged this year. This suggests more organizations are initiating action on AI initiatives, but there is still opportunity for business leaders to drive actions on critical AI initiatives to increase responsible AI maturity. Data gathered for the latest Australian Responsible AI Index report found out that despite the vast majority, 82% to be exact, of companies surveyed believing they were taking a best practice approach to responsibly using AI in their businesses, less than a quarter, 24% to be exact, had any measures in place to ensure that that was what they were actually doing. This Responsible AI Index, which I will also put the link in the video description, is led by Dr. Katriona Wallace of the Responsible Metaverse Alliance. It has support from Gradient Institute and is sponsored by IAG and Transurban. It aims to track how well organizations are designing and implementing responsible AI systems with a view to fairness, accountability, transparency, and its effects on people and society. Worryingly, only one in three companies' chief executives are involved in leading AI projects, even though it is well known that involvement from the top leads to better AI practices, the report found. Governments must step in and help companies deal with the huge economic, social, and ethical problems raised by the latest generation of artificial intelligence. Experts have warned as new data showed local businesses are failing to introduce AI responsibly. In this report, experts have urged that the Australian government to revisit a Human Rights Commission recommendation from last year and set up a dedicated AI safety commissioner after the second annual Australian Responsible AI Index found local companies had a misguided belief that their AI adoption was being handled responsibly. And as we all know that this will have a huge repercussions very soon all across the board. A lot of people might lose their jobs or because this will be a huge disruption. I think government should wake up and take some stern actions in terms of responsible AI. If you have any feedback, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.